today, obviously you've seen in the last episode that we done the front splitter and stuff for the Micra. Today we're going to get cracking on with fitting it. It's Thursday today and the car show's on Sunday, and I feel like we're nowhere near ready yet. So Charlie's got them all painted black. As you can see, the front splitter and the side skirt extensions are all painted black. I've been working on my secret project, which you're not going to see until Sunday, but it is going on the Micra and they're going to look proper cool. We've also de-stickered it because there's some new graphics going on it. I'm about to go around with some tar and glue remover and the wee machine polisher and just get the sides a wee buff up, ready for its new decals. And we've already been stuck into the jimny a little bit, so we've got the wheel arches off. I've gave it a power wash underneath. Obviously you already know the boot floor's cut out, and we've got half of the new kit on. So the plan is to get the other side of the kit on, get the green painted black, weld in the boot floor, do another couple of bits of welding, and take this to the show as a sort of work in progress build. So first things first, let's go and get these splitters, side skirt extensions on and start machine polishing the Micra. Right guys, side skirt extensions are on. It's really hard to tell with this camera angle how good these look and what it does for the car, but we'll get it outside. The lip looks super aggressive now.
The lip's my favourite bit.
We will get this outside once I've machine polished it and we'll get a proper look at it. But I've still got a secret project for this. You can't see that till Sunday. So once we've almost got this done, we'll get this outside, we'll bring the jimny in and we'll start working on that. But next, I need to get, if you can see it, you can still just see, you might see it better on this side, the old home built logo. So it's time to get that machine polished off, and then we can throw our new home built decals on it. Got all machine polished. It's not even been a year yet, so the sticker glue came off no problem. Especially using Infinity Wax tar and glue remover. Like I said, I swear by that stuff. You spray that stuff on and it just dissolves instantly. You put it on tar, it starts to bleed instantly. It's by far the best tar and glue remover I've ever used. I say that about loads of stuff, don't I, Charlie? Yeah. But I'm being honest, it is. I've used a lot, many years in the trade. I've used a lot of different manufacturers. By far the best. So yeah, bit of tar and glue, bit of machine polish. The Micra paintwork is looking just as good as the day we done it. It looks amazing, absolutely amazing. So it's time to get it stickered up, ready for the Veterans Rally and ready for the car show on Sunday. So obviously we've got some new stickers to add to this. We've obviously got Team Dynamics. Again, huge shout out to Team Dynamics for supplying the wheels. This thing drives amazing now. The wheels are so much lighter, they don't wobble. The seized calipers aren't seized anymore, so massive thanks to Paul. It was Paul, wasn't it?
Thanks, Dave.
Paul and his grandson for giving us the brake calipers. Night and day difference. We've got a few new companies that we need to put on it that you'll see shortly. But let's get started. Charlie's just working on some more extensions for the back bumper that you'll see shortly. And yeah, I'm going to get some masking tape out and just try placing the stickers out and see where we want to put them. So, see how it looks. Yeah, let's get on with it. I think we've got the layout sorted. So, big blind Veterans on the back, Veterans Banger Rally. We've got the big Team Dynamics sticker on the back. What was I going to put on the back bumpers again?
Nothing, I think it looks right. Just plain.
You sure?
Yeah.
Another blind Veterans on the side. Obviously, Home Built and Chops Garage is staying. The new Home Built logo, Cross Garage is staying. They always look after us, so they're staying. We've got the big Infinity Wax logo, and below it is going to be infinitywax.com. Shh, don't tell everybody yet. We'll tell you next week. And then we've got our number 22 again. That was never going to change. We're always number 22 and we're team 22 in the rally. And then we've got Max Speeding Rods. Another company that's jumped on board to support the channel this year. They've actually sent us a really nice package for the Mazda MX-5, which we'll be showing you soon. So you need to stay tuned for that as well. And then of course, Team Dynamics on the front. And then we've got the Veterans Banger Rally again. And
the lighting's nice.
It is nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, nearly killed myself in the drill.
Kicked the cylinder, you've just kicked the drill.
Yeah. So yeah, it's looking good. I think this is a placement we're going to go for. Let's get these stuck down and then this will be nearly finished and we can get onto...
Spats are dry. We made them.
Rear spats, yeah. And then we can get cracking on with the Jimny. So
I feel bad for everybody that's driving about with a Supra that's got the exact same kit on it, but they've spent thousands.
We've went to, I was going to say Home Depot for a minute there, but we're not in America. We've went to Eurocell, B&Q.
Where was it we got the stuff? I can't even remember. But we've just got some...
I think it was left behind when the roofers done the roof of the house. So,
oh, so anyway, we've managed to make a kit that looks fairly expensive for basically free.
It looks mega.
Yeah.
I really like it. Let's get the stickers on and we'll show you what it looks like. But I'm not showing you the final result until Sunday. We're going to finish the stickers, then crack on with the Jimny. So you'll need to stay tuned on Sunday's video. That's going to be a good one. Right, we've got all the stickers done. It's looking awesome. The new home built logos on there. Veterans Banger Rally. Infinity Wax. Shh. Number 22. Max Speeding Rods. And of course we've got Team Dynamics along the back. There's another couple of stickers going on. We've got a cancer research one being made. We've got to put the infinitywax.com along the bottom. And my secret project that you haven't seen yet. But that's enough of the Micra. As you can see, it's pitch black outside. It's a late one. Tomorrow we're getting cracking on with the Jimny. So don't go anywhere. We'll be back in a minute. The next car you see will be the Jimny. Right guys, I know I said we were going to get cracking on with the Jimny, and we did. We've cracked on for the last 2 days on it, but for some reason I've lost a load of footage, so I'm going to have to give you an update on what's happened. Well, what you should have seen, I've lost. So we've done a whole load of welding on the Jimny. As you know, it had no boot floor in it. I'll show you that in a minute, but the interior is back in and all cleaned up. We've got all the wheel arch extensions on. We've not trimmed the bumpers yet because we've not quite decided what we're going to do. Charlie and Shane are in the middle again at a polish. We've saved the front lights. Also repainted the grills and got rid of the black. Got rid of the green, sorry. Snorkel's fitted. Wheels and tyres have been swapped out where they need to because one of the tyres was a wee bit dodgy. And other than that, we've also wired up all the new back lights as well. So we've got rid of these manky things that were half working, and we've fitted some nice new ones, which again have got faults of their own, so I'm going to have to contact the supplier about that. But of course the boot was the biggest problem. It had no floor whatsoever. So we've managed to stitch weld in a whole new floor ready for this weekend. There we go. So we've cut off the wheel arches, stitched in new bits of wheel arch, new floor, new cross members in here ready for the seat mounts. And it's not 100% finished, but it's sealed up, it's a floor, it's ready to go. We can now drive this down to Dumfries for the car show. Sorry Charlie. We can now drive this down to Dumfries for the car show. But first things first, we're going to put a load of stickers on it and make it look a bit like the Micra. So I'll pop it on time lapse now. We'll quickly do that and then we'll take a look at it when it's finished. all the stickers are done. We're about to go and get fuel in these. I think after probably the busiest week we've ever had. We've had a massive help for Shane, massive help for Rhiannon. Katie's been involved. Charlie's been here all week. We've had some late nights. But I think we've got 2 cars ready for the Dumfries Car Show.
You never panned over to it, did you?
I've no panned over to the Micra. You guys are going to see that in a minute. So we're going to go home, finish packing up. Don't go anywhere because tomorrow we're going to be at the Dumfries Car Show and I'm going to show you what the Micra looks like now. So yeah, let's go home, get some rest. We'll see you in the morning. Right guys, we've arrived at Dumfries Car Show. We've got the jimny and the Micra here. It's a bit windy, it looks like it might rain, but hopefully it'll hold off. We're going to finish setting up. Here's how the Micra looks, and here's a little bit of the car show as well.
It's my first time.
Welcome back to the channel guys. Today we're here at the Dumfries Motor Show and you've seen the Micra, you've seen the stand. It's pretty cool today. Loads of people, everybody's interacting, but we're going to have a wee walk about, hand out some stickers and show you some cars.
The sun's coming.